So installing the doors, we'll need all these sets with a nyloc nut on it, a normal washer, a nylon washer, a normal washer, and a head. So we'll need a 10mm open spanner and a screwdriver. So what we'll do is we'll start by undoing the nyloc nut and leaving these two guys on here, and we'll go to the doors. Cool. So this bit can be a little bit tricky. What we want to do is put the white washer over the hole, grab the door like that, pop it up over that, put the washer and then push this through. So being very careful, but it should last. Like that. And then we get just secure the door so it's straight, and put the washer underneath there, and the other one underneath as well. So this, actually it's pretty hard.
So yeah, it's.
Can I pause it?